If your Subaru Ascent keeps dropping Apple CarPlay mid-drive, a few quick software and cable tweaks will lock that connection back down. Over 80% of smartphone connection drops in modern vehicles are actually caused by standard wear on the physical USB cable. Before replacing parts, we need to clear out the temporary software glitches causing the system to hang. Start by unplugging your phone, holding down the radio volume knob for 10 seconds to force a reboot, and restarting your iPhone. Always use an official Apple cable, clear out any lint from your phone charging port, and avoid using aftermarket USB hubs. Inside your Ascent Starlink menu, ensure your device is authorized for CarPlay and check for any pending system firmware updates. If it disconnects when hitting potholes, you have a physical port issue. If it drops randomly, it is likely a software bug. Data shows that cable degradation and port debris account for the vast majority of smartphone integration failures. Go into your iPhone settings to forget the vehicle, delete the phone from your Subaru device list, and establish a clean repair. Keep a simple cleaning kit in your glove box to blast out pocket lint and maintain a solid physical connection. Remember that modern infotainment systems require continuous high-speed data transfer, so any physical or software bottleneck breaks the stream. Try these steps in order and subscribe to your Tech Pal for more straightforward automotive tech troubleshooting.